Hello, everyone. I hope you had a wonderful Thanksgiving break and are ready to start the new term. I'm sorry if my voice is a little bit off. I'm a little under the weather, so excuse me if I cough. But I wanted to welcome you to the course, and I hope that you enjoy it. A little bit about myself. I will be your instructor for this 5-week course, which is nice and quick, in and out, right? My name is Jacqueline Jacobson. I've been lecturing and teaching for, oh my goodness, over 15 years now at all kinds of different colleges and universities, live online, live in person, remote, asynchronous. Your course is an asynchronous course, so I suggest that, initially you guys get a little feel of how to navigate. Definitely take a look at the syllabus, look at the weekly requirements. You can go into the modules and take a look at what you might be expecting and try to get on a schedule so that you have things scheduled per day, per week. I know that you might have other responsibilities in your life. This is kind of how I live my life. I have 2 kids. I work full time, and I am trying to finish my doctoral degree. So I understand sometimes that things can feel overwhelming, but what I suggest is to, and like I said in the beginning of the week, kind of prepare your week for what's to come. Each day, sometimes I have a checklist. I use Google Calendar. You can hear my phone going off. Google Calendar is reminding me of something. I use Google Calendar for like personal events and important events, and I have a handwritten planner, believe it or not, that I got from Walmart, where each day I'm like, this has to be done, and I check it off as I go. And this helps me stay organized and not feel as overwhelmed, because sometimes that can happen, right? So again, check out your syllabus, check out the requirements, get a little feel for the course, navigate around a little bit. Please reach out if you have any questions. My contact information is on the home page. You have my bio there as well if you want to get to know me a little bit more. Email me if you have any questions. And I hope that you are excited about the term coming. Try to get excited, try to get hype, because 5 weeks will come and go very quickly, and on to the next thing, right? So again, welcome to the course. It's nice to have you, and and I'll see you soon.